It's left. 6 pa sila. 2, 4, 6. There's 7. Sister Kay, you're coming. You didn't get the chair. Kanina. So you're out of the game. Sister Kay. Okay. 1. Round. Sit down. There's another one. Okay. Who will give up? Nathan or Chloe? Who got it first? Okay, Nathan. Is that true? At Chloe? Who got it first? Okay, let's do one more round. Another round. Okay, go. Let's do another round. Okay. Eliminate the sister. Sit down. We have 5 chairs left. You're out. So we should have 6 players and 5 chairs. Who are our 6 players? 2, 4, 6. Okay. Round and round. Go. Sit down. Okay. Jaira is out. Thank you. Okay, 4 chairs left. We have 5 players. Stop, go! Players left, 2 chairs. Go round, go. Now, championship game, championship. Where's the chair? We have 2 ladies. Wait lang, ha? Okay, go. Wait lang. Away from the chair, Ate Chloe and Ate Patrice, away from the chair, please. Sit down! Okay, winner! Congratulations, Ate Chloe. Yan. Okay, take your prize from Tita Pat. All of you did well. All of you will get something as Tita Pat. Okay? Congratulations, nag-iiyakan. Parents,